Hi, Riley. My name's Corey. Jesse told me to send over this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to share three free tips on how you can actually get more quality rankings to your website and really bring in those leads as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I'm just going to run through. Need new service. I like your call out right there. I'd blow that up. Blow it up. I like to do coupons, percentage off, free estimate. Helps people navigate a little bit easier as well. Kind of running through your site here, I would bring your content word count up to about 1,500, 2,000 words. Really being authoric in what you do and how you do it will make a huge difference. Plus, you need a little bit more keywords in there, so that way we can layer some other. You need more content, so that way we can layer other keywords, words that you're actually trying to be found for as well. So anyway, that's your first tip. Bring up that word count. Also, these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google sees that. You got Linux AC system. I'd actually switch that out. Put like buyer's intent keywords back there. That'll help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in heater repair Tampa, this is what you're gonna see. You got these old school ads right here. They came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. I'll see if you are running ads here in a second, which I know these ads can get pretty pricey. I've seen these up to about 140 bucks or so just for a click. So if you're sitting there clicking on it, those can get pretty pricey. Underneath the ads, we have this little map section here. This map section is to get the rankings in here. Is really going to deal with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory. So it has your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section, we have where all the organic rankings happen. This is the first page of Google, and really to get there comes down to having that authoritative content on your website, being found for those keywords, but also it comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website that's linking from one website back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Excuse me. Now, so right now it looks like you got 72 referring domains, which is pushing back just a little over 400 backlinks back. Looks like historically you've had over 2,000 backlinks. Looks like you lost a lot of them right here, January, February of this year. Anyway, so right now you're being found for 247 keywords. So your traffic, you're getting about 267 clicks every month to your site. And these 267 clicks, you can actually see where they're coming from. This PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads. I don't know if you're running any TV or radio or anything like that, because I know those can get pricey as well. So if you got these 267 clicks, let's go see where these are actually coming from. You have your name for a lot of these. You do have some rankings with some good keywords like Tampa air conditioner. There's 150 clicks every month with that one keyword. In your 6th position there, so you're getting a little bit of traffic from that. Tampa air conditioning companies, 150 clicks every month. Your 14th position, so you're missing the traffic once again. AC service Tampa, 13th position. Missing the traffic. Tampa air conditioning installation, 13th position, missing the traffic once again. So you really just getting a little bit more high authoritative backlinks will help push you these keywords over the top. Kind of give you an idea of what one of your competitors is doing here. This is Scott's 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating. If I stick them in Ahrefs, I just want to do a quick overview with you. So they have 317 referring domains, which is pushing back a little over 2,000 backlinks. They got 1.6 keywords they're being found for, and they're getting on average, about 1,000 clicks to their site every month. And seeing where these 1,000 clicks are actually coming from, kind of do a quick overview of this real quick. So they got Tampa air conditioning repair, 25. Their 2nd position, they're getting 25 clicks out of the 200. There's Tampa air conditioner. There's another 150 clicks, getting 27 clicks. So that right there is 50, almost 30 clicks just out of those 2 keywords. Those are really buyer's intent keywords as well. People that's like, hey, I need repairs done, like now. Anyway, so really going through this and putting more high authority backlinks, really driving these keywords, will really bring in that quality work for you. Anyway, if you think I might have a few tricks up my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me, or at least tell me how I did on this video. But worst case, apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks. Bye.